Did you know your phone could be turned into a spy camera just by receiving a text message? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now to millions of people worldwide. A company called NSO Group created spyware called Pegasus that can hack any phone without you clicking anything. 0 clicks needed. Just getting a text message can give hackers complete control of your device. They can watch through your camera, listen through your microphone, read all your messages, and track everywhere you go. Who's been targeted? French President Macron? Journalists investigating corruption? Human rights activists? Even US government officials? The software costs over $650,000 per target, and authoritarian governments are buying it to spy on anyone who speaks out against them. Apple is fighting back with lawsuits and security patches, but security experts say new versions of this spyware appear every month. Right now, it could be running on your phone and you'd never know it. Here's how to protect yourself and your money from these invisible digital threats.